We've taken the sausages out of their cases, and crumbled them up and sauteed them in a little butter. I've pulled them out of the pan because I don't want to overcook the sausage, and left all the juices in the pan and everything. Now I'm adding some extra virgin olive oil, and I'm going to add my aromatic vegetables, namely onions, garlic, and carrots. All in there. Give it a stir to make sure it's coated with all that, the sausage flavoring, the butter, and the olive oil. And then I'm going to add some seasoning, salt and pepper. This is coarse sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. And I'm also going to add some fresh oregano. Just pull the leaves off like that and give it some nice flavor. I love oregano. So earthy. And then some little pinch of dried oregano. And I want to incorporate the oregano into the oil and the butter, so I'm going to stir that around. I'm going to let these saute for about 5 or 7 minutes. And when we come back, we're going to add our wine and our tomato sauce.